Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to capture a specific area now. First, make sure you can reach Shift plus Command plus 4 on your keyboard. That's the core shortcut. If you prefer a pointer or a timer, open the screenshot toolbar with Shift plus Command plus 5 and set options, or just proceed with Shift plus Command plus 4 for speed. Once you're ready, press Shift plus Command plus 4. The cursor turns into a crosshair. Take a breath, then start dragging to define the area you want to capture. After the crosshair appears, click and drag to mark the exact rectangle you want, then release to take the shot immediately. If you overshoot, hold space while dragging to reposition the selection without changing its size, or hold Shift or Option to lock one axis for precise resizing. If you need a delay or want the pointer included, switch to Shift plus Command plus 5 and pick a timer or include pointer checks. Make sure the selection edges align with text. When you release the mouse, a thumbnail may appear at the corner. Click it to crop, annotate, or share immediately, otherwise it will autosave to your desktop or chosen folder. To make quick edits, open the file in Preview or Photos and crop or add annotations, then export. If nothing happens when you press the keys, verify keyboard shortcuts in System Settings and allow screen recording in Security and Privacy. That's the most common fix when screenshots don't work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.